Hello everybody, this is Taz and welcome back. Now you notice that I changed a couple of things and everything else. I wanted to spend all my time on the cross and I wanted to spend it on the flowers, so that's why there's no recording of that. But I really wanted to spend my time doing the best I could and doing the details and really making it look beautiful and making it look realistic as best I could. So I didn't record that, but it is beautiful and I'm happy with how it turned out. And I'm sorry I didn't record that, but I really just wanted to focus on the cross and I wanted to focus on all these other things, the roses and the petals and stuff and everything, without worrying about. But basically I just did dark colors, and I went dark colors and a lighter color, and I just blended it all in, and then I went with a dark, like almost grayish black color in this one, and then I put some yellow after I put the off-white in the flowers, and then I went over here and I took dark green. Basically, I took some dark green and I filled in all of it with the pot, and then I smoothed it out with my finger and I massaged the lines together and everything, making it look seamless. So now we got the lilies. So the lily and the cross is beautiful and it's all done. And we did the eggs in the last one, and I cleaned up the lettering a little bit. So now we're going to work on the lettering and we're going to work on the bunny. And then after that, we're going to do my signature, and then we're going to be all finished to be able to give this to my mom, my family this Easter. So we're going to go into the watercolor. We're going to go into watercolor. Now, what color should we? I think Easter should be like a purplish kind of color. Okay. So we're going to have to go through the pink set. Now that's better. But unfortunately, I just need to be a little bit colorful. Damn it. Stop. That'll work. I'm going to leave the Sunday white, but I'm going to make this up here a really pretty orangey color. There we go. Darker. No, not that dark. Let's go happy. And then I'm just going to blur all this together, just a little bit at a time. So the happy Easter. Oh, and I wanted to make the bunny a chocolate one. So let's try to give him like a nice neutral. Oh, that's adorable. That's adorable. Better or worse?
soon. So we have a nice gradient on the Happy Easter.
Then we're gonna worry about the other thing. Then we're gonna worry about the happy. And then that'll be done. Then we're gonna send our name to the bottom. Gonna give her a signature. And then we should be done. The only way to give this is a gift to my mom, to my sister, to my brother, and it'll be coming out at the perfect time because tomorrow is Good Friday. So we'll be coming out the crosses and we'll be celebrating Good Friday together as a family, and it'll be a perfect gift for them. And I hope you guys enjoyed this art. I hope you guys enjoyed the coloring and the blending, and I hope by watching me you guys learned a thing or two. I'm sorry about the not recording. I recorded the coloring of this thing and I was even talking, and then it just didn't happen.
Okay, we're getting almost done there.